Hey guys, today we're playing Bulked Up. I am Ryan, okay?
And
This does not look correct. This
Here, I got you.
No. Ryan. I'm the.
Are you recording?
What's that?
Recording.
I am recording.
Oh, hi peeps.
Hi peeps, I'm Dad.
We're playing a football.
Watch this. Watch this.
He punched that kid.
Crap. No.
That's ragdoll, man.
Okay.
This game
I
is
got
so...
money. This game is the best game that
Wait,
ever
watch
exists
this. Wait,
besides
let
Idle.
me do it, let me
Hey,
do it.
punch me. Okay, I'll punch you.
Hey, let me play. Watch the professional.
Okay, no, you've never even played this,
Yes,
Ryan.
I did. Watch this. Okay, what you want to do is...
You haven't played this.
How do you play this?
No, you can.
That is not how you play. No, you have to wreck the
Punch it
buildings and get money so you can get abilities to wreck more buildings to get more money.
I don't care.
Thank you,
wrong.
Ryan. You should pick someone up and throw them.
Yeah, where's it go? Is that my mom?
That is your mom.
I just got 1 out of 12. Hey, girl! Ask me on a date? Okay, you want... No. Oh, what the heck?
No, press 2, and now you grab them. No, just click
Grab
once.
her.
Click once. no, Ryan. No. Give me
Can
the
I... No,
laptop.
give me it.
No. No, you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to like throw them into the pit. Okay?
Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, I'm gonna throw him into the
You have to
pit.
throw them into the pit, okay?
Okay, I'll throw him.
Are you recording?
How do you run? How the heck are you supposed to run? I got him. Okay, I'll throw him into the pit. Okay. Throw him to the pit. Yeah. No, he's in the
You
pit.
threw yourself into the pit.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's
give me.
Where am I?
I
Oh, where'd
don't-
it go? Hey, I tried to throw him in the pit.
Okay.
He didn't
Oh,
cooperate.
it's respawned. Okay. Let's go.
Oh,
Okay,
get that.
ooh, there's a trophy here. Let's go
Wait,
bully more
Wait,
people.
here, this is my computer. You're not allowed to play on it.
Can I play on it?
Your mom.
Okay.
Grab him.
First I have to throw him in his milk. Go to the sun. Where am I? How are so not?
Throw him
Give me
in
him.
the. Put him in the trash can.
What the heck would I do? Here, walk, dog, water, walk, dog.
How much are you enjoying Bulked Up
This
right
game
now?
is so fun.
Throw him in the
give me-
trash can.
No. You have to give
Beat
me.
it up,
you have to
boys.
give me. No, you don't hit a man while he. You don't. Never mind. You don't hit a.
The goal of the game is to beat your mom up. I'm joking.
You don't hit a
I don't
person
care about a
while they're
starter
down.
pack. Give me it. Go to the pit, man.
All those happy children are being thrown in the pit.
Would you like to go to Australia, mate?
Would you like to go to heaven, mate?
Here, can I throw him far?
You should punch the trees. Ooh, what's over there? What's that?
Where'd he go?
No, give me the computer. Give me your computer.
No.
Yes,
Oh, I found a trophy. Watch this. How do you run?
you don't. Eclipse.
Yo, look how buff I look. Okay.
No, give me the laptop.
There we go.
That is not
I can't.
Ryan.
My name is not Ryan. My name is Camel Kuna, boy.
Okay, Camel Kuna boy. I need to play, okay? I need to throw people into the pit.
Why? I don't speak English. Fine, you can have the computer.
Thank you. Watch this, okay? I'm gonna climb this thing. Never mind, I cannot climb this thing. Watch this.
Grab someone and throw them off the cliff.
I'll grab someone and throw.
How do
What
you
if
not
I
take-
grab someone and throw them off a tree?
What happens if I
What
throw
are you doing walking here?
your dog?
Okay.
That's not sad. Sad.
Wait a minute.
Goodbye.
Wait, I got it. I'll throw someone in. Okay. Oh, hasta la vista. Wait a second. This is kind of sus, guys. There's gonna be black screen, but your mom. Okay.
Okay, I agree.
Here, let's pick up this dude. Hey, man. You're a rock star. Get the show on. I can't pick this guy up. You wanna go, man? I'm gonna beat you up. Get beaten up, boy. Oh.
Oh, he just stomped on you.
Stop?
They
Well, then
just
take
stomped
this,
on you.
boy.
They just
Take-
stomped on you.
Why can't you step on that?
Gavrik,
Punch them.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, eat my butt.
No, don't punch them.
How about if I did this to you, boy? Hey, man. Wanna go, man? Oh.
Oh, well, I bet they're gonna be fine. Okay, look at them.
Man, these guys are OP.
No, can I flex plus W?
No, wait. Stop! Fine, I'm gonna.
Yay!
Are you actually serious, man? You're dead, man.
Throw into the pit.
No. What are you supposed to do in this game? This game is boring.
No, it's not boring. You're just playing it incorrectly,
There's a
okay,
special
Ryan?
effect when you throw them into the pit.
There is not a special effect. It is just funny. It is
Yes,
just
open
funny. It is very funny.
No, I got it.
Open this.
I
Maybe this will work.
Watch this.
Look. Open this.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so sick, babe.
Look.
Carter,
it is
look,
nothing.
Carter, look.
How dare
Carter,
you?
look. Look at this.
What is this?
Sorry, give me.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna play as Coca-Cola.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay!
Why don't we?
Yay!
Punch Man. Wait, give me the mouse. Punch Man. No.
Bye.
No, get up. Okay, bye. We need money, okay? What's the next power up at? Eclipse?
Bye, I'm leaving you.
Okay.
Press something when you're done. Bye.
Okay. Where can... Thank you. Okay. Okay, you know what?
Hello, people.
I'm kind of bored of booked up. Okay, let's play...
Chicken nugget.
Yes. Noob. Perry.
Iron Man.
I am Perry now. Discover. Most engaging. Noob Army Tycoon. Actually, wait, okay.
It's a popsicle, Mario boys.
It's a
Wait, no, we're
popsicle
highlighting
Mario
everything.
boy.
I have a popsicle.
What are like?
I have a popsicle for the boys.
Mount Kenya?
Wait, are we recording still?
You are recording.
We're still